Assalamu alaikum. I am Fasim Ahmed.
I am Sadman
From
from class
class
9.
Two biggest enemies of the history, oil and water. Is mixing them possible? So the answer is yes. But firstly, if I take this oil in water and try to dissolve it, it will not dissolve. No matter how much I will try to dissolve it. Because the density of water is lesser than the density of oil. Think them as enemies. But what happens if we try to make these enemies into friends? This friendship bought by shampoo. If we put this shampoo into glass, so the oil is easily dissolved in water. You can see that shampoo has dissolved the water into oil. Why did this happen? Let's see.
The molecule of shampoo has two parts, head and tail. The head is hydrophilic, that love water, and the tail is hydrophobic, that repel water. When we put shampoo into the water, the head stick water and the tail stick oil. Look that it makes two of them friends.
Look how we make them friends. Thank you.